All right, we're live on YouTube. Welcome everyone to yet another weekly meeting of the working group for merge requests report widgets. I'm going to guess it's the 15th session that we've had. We have a short agenda, so I'll jump right through it. So last week we discussed what happened when this working group dismantles after it's closed, that the working group label then will no longer apply. So we're starting to prepare for that. We discussed the creation of one more label that will basically be used for anything related to these efforts, especially as we see more report widgets coming in the future and maintenance and report bug reports and everything. So it's good to have something to put it under. So I created a label basically. I applied to a couple of issues that we're working on in code review, but the idea is to spread it around, use it for anything that you can come up with, anything you create, just add that label. Especially as the working group is coming to a close soon. Hopefully, that's the idea. It was slated for the end of the quarter. So yeah, that's that. I have some questions. I created this on GitLab org. I'm guessing we need one on GitLab com too, correct? In case somebody wants to write a release post or a blog post or something. Can't hurt, right? Right, I'll do it. Yes. Do we have any color codes for the labels that would apply in this case, or is that bright green enough? Acceptable. All right. In Portugal, that would be like a 2-hour discussion about Benfica and Sporting clubs, but I don't follow football.
It's
right.
the same here in Vienna.
Do you have a green one?
We are the green.
Oh, you are the
one.
Green. Of course, Rapid, right?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh, and I don't know football.
We don't talk about the others that are around here, but they are violet. So you can.
The others.
The unspeakable.
Those who shall not be named. All right, then that's good. Thanks for the feedback. And so after this call, I'll just go into the list of issues, epics, and merge requests. I currently have the working group label and will apply this new one. There will be a bit of duplication for this transition period, but I want us to get started with this so that it feels more natural to attach it to the topic than the working group, which will go extinct soon. Any objections of applying that to all? Right. No. Right. That's it for me. We have great work in flight this milestone. I didn't put it here, but there are plans for the milestone. Code review is working on a couple of things. I know that Peyton is working on documentations for the polling. So it feels like we're getting somewhere. So I'm not entirely sure we'll wrap up everything we needed to wrap up by the end of the quarter, but being a working group, not necessarily an OKR, I feel like it's not the end of the world if we slip over. What do you think, Tim?
It's not the end of the world. I had working groups that took 10 months longer than expected.
Okay. Then we're not in a good place. We're reaching out the end of the list of issues that are known. So if any of you find any issues, bug reports, please keep them reported there. I don't know if I've mentioned this here, but I am probably going to go absent soon in a couple of weeks in parental leave. So yes, I'll make sure that I have someone to back me up. Mostly Phil in code review can answer your questions regarding engineering. Just so reach out to him. I will also have an acting EM in my stead, which will be Kushal. So please, if anything happens and you need someone to move something along, don't panic. Reach out to Kushal. So yeah, I'll just put here the link to the coverage issue so that in case you know. For my parental leave, and that's basically it. I'll be out for a month and a half.
Yeah, which is great, and I hope you really enjoyed the time. And if there's anything else that I can also help to push, let Kushal know, please.
I will do. I will do.
Flag me.
Thanks, Tim. And that's it. Any topics from you all? Yannick, you're going to collaborate with Phil on the docs, right? This milestone.
Absolutely. That is planned. Currently just sorting out my deliverables for this milestone, but I'm planning to speak with them about this next week.
Sure
so
thing.
we'll see how it goes.
Awesome. All right, then we're done. This was quick. Great to see everyone. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.